This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. So, before the video begins, if you want to stay in a loop of everything I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_ on Instagram, and you can see everything I'm doing ahead of time. You can text me, ask me questions or anything like that, or you can comment, like, whatever. Ask any questions. I like questions, so just ask questions. I'm live all the time. I'm always posting. I'm always on Instagram, so you can always ask me any questions. So, yeah. Now, let's get into the video. So, I got another package that came in. Kind of a little stuffy right now. Hopefully this is my bolts. I didn't even check what came in. My parents just came in and said you got a package. And I wasn't expecting nothing to come in today at all. I get no notifications. My intake manifold stuck here. Oof, bless me. I hate this. I think I'm getting sick or something. Gotta get my razor, trusty razor. So they separated them, okay. Pretty nice quality. I'm gonna open it. I probably shouldn't though, but I'm gonna open it. Because I want to actually feel it. Their packaging is so tight. Okay, so this side goes into the actual head part. Screws in, then the manifold sits on there, and then you take one of these bolts. Which I'm gonna open one of these. I'm gonna open this too. Which I probably shouldn't, but I'm still gonna do it just for you guys. And they come with washers, so you get your washer, and then you get you a bolt, which is 12-point socket. So how it's gonna go is this gonna screw into the head. Washer gonna go into it. Onto the actual manifold, right? Manifold's gonna go between this. Manifold's gonna sit right here, right? Washer's on the top. Bolts is on there. It's a little Allen key so you can tighten it. You don't tighten this. You just finger tighten it, but you use the Allen, whatever. And then you just screw on there, and you torque it down. Simple as that. There you go. So now to the next thing that comes in. Probably tomorrow. We're gonna see. Alright, y'all. So we gotta fix the camera a little bit. That's straight? Alright, we straight. Alright. Look, so we got a box, right? I know what this is. I already opened it, but let me show y'all what I got. It's a big, my fan is on, but this is a big, huge box. You can see how big that is. It's a big, huge box, so let's open it. It's only like one big thing, so let me show you. Sorry about that. This is, let's throw it out of the way. I'll pick it up in a second. This is my aluminum racing dash. It goes like this. So this part right here will go towards the window part, and this part is what I'll see. Like my gauges will like sit up here and stuff like that. And, it's pretty big. it's not direct fit. I have the custom fitted to my truck. So yeah. But before I actually put in the truck, I'm putting the RX-8 first and see how that fits, so I can know if I need if I can get this again, how I look in the RX-8, see if I'm gonna actually buy it twice. Cause this was cheap. It was only $100, cheap for this nice quality. It's aluminum. That blue is just the covering, so it don't get scratched up or, you know what I'm saying. But this, that's what it looks like. B-rolled. Looks real good. I think it's gonna fit real nice in the truck. So, yeah. On to the next thing in the next unboxing. That'll probably be tomorrow. Probably. I don't know. Who knows? All right. Got another package. I'm pretty sure this is what I think it is. We're gonna see. I don't know. This could be like one of like 3 things. Looks like double wrapped it. Okay. I'm not complaining though. At least they, Oh, okay. I know what this is. It's my electric fuel pump. The one that I broke myself on accident. Right after literally like 2 seconds after I fixed it, I broke it on accident. So, it comes with the hardware. That's the fuel filter, and this is the hardware to mount it up. Like if you bolt it up to something, where you bolt it up to. Because obviously you don't want it flopping around anywhere. And here's the actual fuel pump. It's electric. Got your 2 wires right here, negative and positive. I already have it wired up from my old one. All I gotta do is just connect these 2 wires, and the whole thing's wired up on the relay, on the switch, from the switch panel. So, yep. This one is a little bit more sturdier, I feel like, than the other one that I bought. It's more heavier, it feels different, it feels better. Yeah. And it tells you flow side, so it tells you like, put the gas line this way, and this side goes to the carburetor. So, if you do it backwards, you're pretty stupid. Now, unless you had a few beers or something, but yeah. That's it. So, on to the next thing. You see my dash, and you've seen my intake manifold studs. So, yeah. I don't know what to come next, because it says it's gonna come before this, and it's mixed around. That's all I be knowing what I be having. I don't be checking before you know what I'm saying. So when I say I really don't know, I really don't be knowing. I can take a wild guess, but. Alright, on to the next thing. Okay, so we got some more unboxings, man. We got 3 packages. We got a little small package. I don't know what that is. And another little medium package. Then this one is another medium-sized package. I don't know what this could be. Probably my brake shoes. I think probably, I don't know. Let's go a little to big. How about that? This is probably my wheel cylinders, probably. Make this one pretty quick and simple because my friends are waiting on me to play Call of Duty with them right now, so. Dorman. What did I work with? My wheel cylinder, I think. Yes, my wheel cylinders came from Dorman. Made in China. Made in China. No, made in China. Come on, man. Come on. Guess I'll open it and show you. Actually, look. There you go. That's what it looks like. Came with a bleeder screw. I didn't need one because mine was broke. I mean, it's just stripped out. That's all it really is. They got bolt holes right there. I wish it would have came with actually bolts, but it didn't. So oh well. Guess I'll give me some new bolts or something. And the other one's the same exact thing. So there you go. Like that. I'm going to keep it super easy. I mean, super simple and easy. So put that to the side. Take that with me. Oh, freaking drop the camera, man. Hold up. Let me get right. Hold up. This never happened to me before. Okay, there we go. Medium package. Hopefully this is my distributor. Please. No, I don't think this is. But I don't see what else it could be. Honestly, I'll be ordering so much stuff. I'll be forgetting what. Quality brake parts. Carson? I don't remember this brand. Carson brakes? My brake shoes are from Power Stop. Shout out to Power Stop, by the way. What is this? Like I said, I order so much stuff. Huh? What is this? Oh, this is all the hardware for the brakes. Oh, okay. This is the hardware for the drum brakes in the back. So I'm not gonna open that, but you know it's all the hardware that I need, like all new springs and bolts and stuff like that. So, oh, so that means for that my wheel cylinder already have hardware for that. So that box is heavy, so I'm guessing that's my brake shoes. Hopefully it is. Shout out to Power Stop. Yes. Ah, I hate this smell. It smells fishy, man. I hate that smell. New brakes literally smell fishy. Literally. They smell like fish. Literally. As you can see, Power Stop. Shout out to Power Stop brakes. Ah, they stink, bro. New brakes stink. New brake shoes. Yep, came with all four, both, 2 for each side. So that's that. And now, I gotta figure out how and where they just came in here because, I don't see how, okay, got it, there you go. Alright, there we go. Okay. Now that was the package for today. The combo for today. Now it's time for me to get back on Call of Duty. So, alright. Now on to the next thing.